Okay, we're here with another edition of Love Bucket. We're with the Oconee Center, Homeless Center. You guys, I want you to explain. This is Willie and Semika. Been around since 1975. Do a lot of good things in the community. Six local counties. If you guys would just share with those that are viewing, kind of why you started it or why you got involved and what you thought the needs were, and just some of the benefits you guys bring to the community, and then if folks want to get a hold of you, how they would do that.
First, I want to say thank you first to Mr. Herron for this opportunity for us to be the recipients of this. It's just going to be such a great thing that we can bring back to the consumers in our program. So thank you for this program. We are a community service board agency. We provide behavioral health and developmental disability services in 6 counties. That's Baldwin, Hancock, Washington, Wilkinson, Putnam, and Jasper County. We have satellite offices that we not only have here in Baldwin County, but in in Washington County and Hancock County as well.
So let me ask you, so this is homeless, right? I mean, folks that barely have like anything. Now, I know you had mentioned also that it also, in conjunction with the hospital closing, folks that are disabled. Tell me a little more about, like, in other words, like if somebody was not doing well and needed some assistance, how would they get, like, how would folks find out about you? And was there a facility they would actually, you got a lot of counties, so like they would actually have a bed to sleep in?
Right. Yeah, we have crisis stabilization units now.
Okay.
We have one in Augusta, we have one in Dublin, we have one in Athens, and one in Macon.
Okay.
That people can go to for that acute stabilization. And then we have a intensive residential program, 6 beds that people can come in for up to 6 months for continued treatment to try to stabilize, become stable. And then from there, if they came in homeless, didn't have anything, then we could maybe move them into a 1-hour shelter plus care beds.
I got you.
Yeah, so.
And you guys, did you start it up yourself personally?
No, I didn't. It started up in 1999. I became the shelter plus care coordinator myself in 2005 up until 2010.
Okay.
And so I've worked directly with the program. I am the Pathways Compass administrator at present. This is a federal mandate that we have to report back to Congress every year, the people that enter into the homeless program, the chronic homeless program. And Congress has a mandate to try to end chronic homeless in the United States.
Yeah, there's a lot. We contribute to a lot of things at the dealership, a lot of stuff with the youth, and it's really, I guess when you look at the whole situation, when you look at crime, you look at a lot of stuff that develops into being homeless. It all starts with the school, and then and our school system and what's going on there, and then it takes a step further to start with the home, and how many kids don't have a dad, or a mom, and then it perpetuates. If they drop out of school from pregnancy, drug use, gangs, whatever the case may be, they're lining right up for any kind of criminal activity and or homelessness. I mean, so. It's a huge undertaking. If you're listening and watching and you know of any kind of assistance you may be able to shed towards the Oconee Center, how would they get a hold of you?
They can visit our website at www.oconeecenter.com or contact our administrative building at 478-445-4817.
Awesome.
I would like to mention that we have 4 clinics here in Baldwin County. We have the adult mental health clinic. It's located on Jefferson Street. We have the Addicted Disease Center on Barry Sparrow Road. We have the CNA, Child and Adolescent. Just so I said, you have to meet those needs at an early age sometime.
Yeah.
That's over on Archer Hill Road, and then we have the Developmental Disability Center over on Charleston Street.
Well, God bless you guys on your quest, because I know it's you guys are serving needs of a lot of people, and it's very, very hard to execute, but you guys are putting forth the effort, so I encourage you to keep the fight. I'm selling cars. You guys are help saving lives. It's kind of crazy, but thank you for what you do in our community, and we're glad to participate. And again, this is another edition of Love Bucket, so hope you enjoyed it and hope you can participate and help yourself.